If you are doing Handshake AI, Outlier, any data annotation platform that you are earning money from, and you chose AirTM as your payment method, but you don't know how to receive money or how to send money out of it, watch this video to the end and you're going to know how to send money from AirTM accounts to any of your crypto wallet, Binance, Bybit, whatever that you are using. Very, very simple. Okay, guys, so like this video, subscribe if you're on YouTube, follow if you're on TikTok. If you're on X, follow also, and you can join my community. The link will be in my bio or in the comment section how to go about it. So this is how to withdraw money from your AirTM account to your Bybit or your Binance or Trust Wallet account. Very, very simple. And bonus tip, if your account is not verified, this is also how to withdraw it from that account. So guys, if you're on Outlier Handshake, watch this video to the end. All right, so now this is my Binance account. You can see I don't have anything, so I'm going to add funds and obviously USDT. So I'm going to deposit. I'm going to click on deposit. I'm using Binance because I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to type in USDC. So you can use Bybit. Okay, so this is USDC, and you're going to choose XLM, which is Stellar Network. Copy the address and the memo. Okay, you need both of them. Copy both of them. Okay, then now we go to my AirTM. So here I'm going to click on withdraw, and yes, I'm going to click on USDC, and I'm going to put the amount I want. So I'm going to test it like 20 something dollars. So let me do 23, and I'm going to choose direct. I'm not going to use their P2P. I'll use direct. So I'm going to choose third party. All right, so I'll use third party, and I'll fill in this. Now fill in the person who's going to receive it, their email, their name. Then you also fill in yours. Just let it be 2 different names and over there. So once you put that, then you put in the memo you copied over, and you also put in the address, the Stellar address of the USDC on Stellar Network. You put it. Once that is done, you continue and submit your request. It's very, very simple, not very hard. Once that is done, okay, then you go home. So this won't take you, it's less than 5 minutes. Okay, you can see that it has gone through. Then we'll go back to our Binance account. So go back to Binance. That's just it. Very, very simple. I'll go to Binance. You see I've received it here on Binance. Bam, it has come. Okay, it's there. I've received it on Binance. You can see it's very, very simple, guys. Nothing difficult to do right here. You can check it. Let's go check my history, and we can see that, yeah, you can see I received 22.77 as from what was on AirTM. Guys, this is how to do it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn notification bell, and make sure you invite your friends. This is how to do it.